Hi guys, welcome to another vlog, and today we are in a beautiful little market town in Cheshire, which I believe is highly underrated. Let's go check it out. So guys, welcome to Frodsham. Frodsham used to be known as a village, but back in 1992 it did actually become a town. And like I said, I do think it goes slightly under the radar because it is actually a really gorgeous little market town. Frodsham even still has its market. Actually every Thursday is market day here in Frodsham, so all along this full street it's just full of all the market stall holders. They set up from early in the morning and they stay through till sort of mid-afternoon. And this market, believe it or not, has been running since 1661. I mean, that's actually ridiculous. Still going today after all them years. But yeah, it's quite cute. You can pop down on a Thursday and check out the market like the good old days. So this is the Bear's Paw. This is quite a prominent pub in Frodsham. I think everybody knows it, everyone's heard of it. It's actually quite aesthetically pleasing to the eye to look at, I think. But this has been around a long, long time as well. This dates right back to 1632. It used to actually be an old coaching inn, and it used to be called the Lion's Paw. But in the 18th century it changed names and become the Bear's Paw. So this is around the back of the Bear's Paw, and they've got this like little barn area which you can hire out for functions and events, and it's open in the summer as well. There is parking out here as well. So yeah, they also have this little beer garden. In the summer it does get quite busy out here, so it's quite nice. If any of you are walkers out there, you might have heard of the Sandstone Trail. Well, Frodsham is actually on the Sandstone Trail. The trail is actually a 35-mile walking route. It does actually start in Frodsham and it goes right through Cheshire and it ends up in northern Shropshire. Yeah, it begins in Frodsham and it ends in Whitchurch in Shropshire. The trail was created back in 1974 and it follows the Sandstone Ridge, and it's really good actually for lovely scenic views of Cheshire. It's often elevated, so you get beautiful views of the forests, the castles, villages. So yeah, if you're into walking, then maybe check out the Sandstone Trail. So little fun fact, see those two cottages there, the one with the blue door and the black door? Many years ago I went to view that little cottage. It was actually really cute. There was a nice big log burner and stuff inside. It was very nice. But yeah, I didn't take it. So as you can see, it's another miserable, wet, grey, gloomy day in the UK. And I'm just about sick of the weather, are you?
Yeah, it's proper nasty.
I'm just over it. Over it. Every single day it's the same, miserable and grey. And that's our little moan about the weather for the day. It seems to be one of the few market towns that I feel is still actually thriving with local independent businesses. I feel like each time I come here, which I do come quite often because it's close by to where I live, but I do feel like each time I come, I see more new local businesses opening up shops, which is a rarity these days, as well, we all know that a lot of retail and businesses are having to close down shop stores and maybe move online. So it's actually an absolute joy to see that here in Frodsham there are so many local independent businesses still popping up, whether that be retail, catering, bars. It's just really nice to see. And as I say, this is one of the few market towns that I feel you do still see that. It still looks to me like it's thriving, which is a really good, positive thing and really, really good to see. Little art gallery just next door to the cafe. So this is Castle Park House and Gardens, and there's over, I think, 9 acres of land here. This is the historic manor house, and this was built on the site where Frodsham Castle used to be, which was sadly burnt down in 1654. So yeah, this whole place was converted back in 1986. So where we've just been for coffee and where the arts centre was, that was the stables and the old outbuildings, and that's all been converted now. And there's a clock tower over there as well, which we're going to head over and have a little look at. So yeah, let's head over to the gardens, the clock tower, and go check that out. So this is the little park for the kids. It's actually a decent park. It's quite big, there's quite a lot here. Obviously not today because it's a miserable day, but yeah, let's have a little sweep round, let you see. that's the old clock tower that's just over by the buildings where the stables and the outhouses used to be. Oh, this just caught my eye, like a little train signal box. Does it work, Mum? Go on, get to work. No, does the middle one move? She'd be a rubbish signalman, look at her. We're here at Castle Park and it's actually really lovely. You've got obviously the historical building down there, then it's got these lovely big tennis courts, it's got a bowling green, hasn't it? Beautiful park for the kids, a little ice cream parlour and some really nice woodlands. It would obviously be much nicer on a nice day. We're just walking through the park and we're coming up to the big sports field at the top. So another little fun fact, because I love a fun fact. Used to come here when I was a wee child many moons ago with my sister, and we were part of Frodsham Harriers Athletics Club, and this is where we used to train. So I'm very familiar with this area. On this big field up here is where we'd come, we'd train, we'd run up Helsby Hill if we were doing the distance. But I was more of a sprinter and a long jumper, wasn't I? Joanne done high jump as well, didn't she? And hurdles. Oh, and sprint. Here comes the rain. But yeah, here's the field that we used to train on. It's a little park now as well, just behind me there. So this is where we come and do our training. Gosh, that seems like a million years ago now. Definitely getting old. So here are some basketball courts, and then next door you've got tennis courts. Oh wow, brings back memories. This section just right in front there, that's where we used to come and train. Crazy, all them years ago. Every Tuesday night. I remember it well. My mum's just noticed as well, right next to where we used to train, there's now this thing set up called the Trim Trail, did you say? Yeah. And it's like a little obstacle course actually. It goes all the way around the field and there's different obstacles each way, like the hanging bars and things to balance on and stuff like that. But this wasn't here when I was back in the day. Do you remember, Mum, over there? That's where we used to train.
Yes, I do.
A little 100-metre stint from the top there, right down to the tree. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Wonder if they still do it. So if you were doing the distance run as well, we would see that big hill that you're looking at right now. We used to run from the bottom of that right the way up to the top. I don't know if you can make out the monument at the top there. The weather is so bad. I can see the rain, like literally. You probably can't catch the rain on camera, but yeah, it was a bit of a slog running up there, I'm not gonna lie. So just letting you see the reality of trying to vlog in the UK, because this is what you're battling against every day. My mum's poking me in the head with the brolly there. Sorry. We're literally walking around, freezing cold, soppy wet, in all the mud.
Squelchy feet.
Yeah, just trying to get content for you guys. But yeah, this is the reality. This is why it's really hard out of the summer season to get any footage, because it's rained every day, hasn't it, this year?
Since the 20-something of December.
It's literally rained every single day. So yeah, glum and miserable, so sorry if the vlogs are grey and gloomy.
But we're happy.
But it's out of our hands. So my mum's just pointed out that this tree has a 6-pack or a 25-pack. So guys, that is it for this week's vlog. Thank you so much for joining us. If you made it to the end, thank you. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And for those of you that have done, thank you so much. It means a lot. Don't forget to give me a little thumbs up. And if you want to drop me a comment in the comments box, please do so. Other than that, I will see you next week. My uploads are every Sunday, 4 p.m. And maybe Mum will be joining us too. We'll see. Until next week, guys, have a fab week. And yeah, we'll see you soon. Bye.